More focused. And that's how my running journey began. Cut to almost 15 years later, I was still running and I'm still running now. And I think that if there's one simple lesson for fitness that I can give to anybody is to run. A lot of people will ask me कि आप एक fitness DVD क्यों नहीं launch करते? And I felt कि आज की तारीख में अगर कोई एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमेशा आपके पास है, वो आपका मोबाइल फोन है. एंड अगर कुछ ऐसा हम लोग डेवलप कर सकें जिसके जरिए आप लोगों की सहायता भी कर सकें उनकी फिटनेस जर्नी में और जो उनको इनकन्वीनियंस ना करे, डीवीडी डालिए, अब घर में टीवी ऑन कीजिए, तो इनकन्वीनियंस थोड़ी सी हो जाती है आजकल की जद्दोजहद भरी जिंदगी में. एंड गौरव and I have actually known each other for about 4-5 years, 6 years, maybe a bit more, 5-6, I've lost count. And we came together to create this product because I've always been very passionate about technology. I think technology can make life simpler if used right. Of course, you shouldn't become a slave to technology, but it should be used for your best interest and for your greater convenience. Today, the mobile phone is replacing books, watches, pedometers, and now, of course, a fitness solution as well. मैंने पहली बार एक लंबी रेस दौड़ी थी, वो मुंबई की सबसे पहली और भारत की सबसे पहली मैराथन थी 2004 में. और तब से अब तक मैं तकरीबन सारी रनिंग इवेंट्स जो इंडिया में होती हैं उनमें दौड़ती हूँ, चाहे वो गोवा की रिवर मैराथन हो, चाहे वो एयरटेल दिल्ली हाफ मैराथन हो, स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड मुंबई मैराथन हो. अभी संडे को मैं बैंगलोर में एक शानदार 10K रन करके आई. बहुत खुश हूँ मैं अपने परफॉर्मेंस के साथ. 60 मिनट से कम में मैंने 10 किलोमीटर दौड़ा और ट्रेन भी काफ़ी किया था. पर less than 60, it's called sub 60. To finish 10 kilometers in less than 60 minutes is called sub 60. It's supposed to be a reasonably good performance. Thank you very much. पर बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो रन करना चाहते हैं, जो इस फिटनेस की जर्नी पे पहला कदम रखना जानते हैं, चाहते हैं, और उन्हें ये नहीं मालूम शुरुआत कैसे की जाए. बहुत से बड़े बड़े पहाड़ होते हैं जिन्हें चढ़ने के लिए शायद एक कदम लेना पड़ता है, और वही एक कदम फिटनेस की दुनिया में या फिर रनिंग की दुनिया में आप ले सकते हैं फर्स्ट रन के जरिए. वो भी फिट एक कंपनी है जिसका हिस्सा मैं हूँ. मुझे बहुत गौरव महसूस होता है कि आज मैं इस ऐसे मुकाम पर हूँ कि हम एक ऐसे प्रोडक्ट को आपके सामने लाए हैं जो हम काफ़ी देर से जिसके ऊपर हम काम कर रहे हैं. और मुझे नहीं लगता इसके बाद कोई भी ये कह पाएगा कि I don't know how to start running. Everybody up there tells me I would like to run. All you need is a pair of shoes and this hot maybe a hat and sunglasses. But to become a runner, there is a journey involved. It's a scientific program that Josh Clark developed, and as Gaurav said, it's an open source program. उन्होंने C2 5 के program design किया और मैं उनको actually Twitter पे follow करती हूँ. He is very open about sharing everything that he does, including of course his legendary C2 5 के formula. और उस formula पे voice coach ये ऐप है जो आपको बिना किसी एफर्ट किए 9 हफ्ते में 30 मिनट्स लगातार रन करने की काबिलियत है. So I don't want to say anything more except that I've been very excited about this for a very long time, and I'm glad that we're able to finally share this with you. And there is nobody who can now say that they don't know how to start, because this makes starting so easy. It doesn't matter what your pace is. It doesn't matter how old you are. All you have to do is listen to the voice in your ear. The first session is only 1 minute of running at a time. So you run for a minute, you walk for 2 minutes. Running, and I can talk endlessly about running. Anybody else with questions out there? Sorry, Suhil? Yes, absolutely. In fact, I just got an update late last night, which all modern phones don't even ask you these days. They just tell you, boss, we're updating your app. At least iPhones ask you that there are updates available, you can go and download them. But with the Android that I'm using, it just goes and informs you that the update has been installed. Sorry, sir, you had a question. See, I think I've always believed that when you're fit, it increases your mental capacity and your physical capacity to do much more. So So if you're an unfit person, by the end of a 5, 6, 7, 8 hour day, you'll be tired. But being physically fit, having greater cardiovascular strength means you can last a much longer day and still feel active. So I don't have a problem with 12, 13, 14 hour days at all. In fact, during my campaign, I was campaigning 18 hours a day from 6 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock, and I never got tired because I was so fit. So I think fitness just gives you a greater opportunity to exploit everything else that you want to do. And it takes just about 40-45 minutes, 1 hour a day. So I find that 1 hour and it gives me time to do everything else which I ordinarily would not have time or energy for. That's a really good question. I'm glad you pointed that out. Okay, it's not meant for professionals basically because it's really for people who've never run. आज शुरू करना है जिसको रनिंग उसके लिए ये ऐप है. Smartphones की अगर बात की जाए, Android phones खासतौर पे, I think they start about 3,500 rupees. So it's not an iPhone. I mean, not that I'm against iPhones, I really like iPhones. Sorry? Don't worry, we make in India also very soon. So the thing is that the smartphone market has completely been challenged and disrupted with the advent of the low-cost Android phone. तो किसी की अक्सर मतलब बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके हाथ तक ये फोन पहुंच सकता है. Point तो ये है. The second point that you mentioned is actually a most scary point for me. I don't see kids playing. I see kids becoming chubbier and chubbier, playing video games, and all kids today, I mean the kind of environment that we all are in, every child has a phone. So if they have a phone, why don't they utilize it to get fitter? So we will be having a children's version of First Run coming out soon. I can't commit a date on that, but since kids today are addicted to phones, we might as well use that addiction and get them to become fitter using this app. And of course, we make it motivational for children.
What about school tie-up and all of you will do that? Because this will again give the promotion and benefit.
Absolutely. I think the idea is to attack children at a younger age so that when they grow up, fitness is not a choice to them. It's a habit. Like a 2-3-year-old child, initially you have to push them to brush their teeth. First they play with the brush and just eat the toothpaste, but eventually brushing becomes a habit. You do it not because you want to prevent cavities, but you do it because you want to keep your teeth healthy. That's the way we want to be able to encourage a generation of young people, young children, who will grow up to become like as though fitness is a part of their life and they don't have to think about it. So yes, school tie-ups are in the pipeline, and the children's version of First Run is definitely in the pipeline.
Oh, so what is the similarity? What the difference between First Run as a program and Josh Clark's 3 to 5 years?
Josh Clark, I'll let Gaurav also answer that, more technicals. Basically, he designed a program which tells you that if you run, let me correct that, if you give 30-minute sessions 3 times a week for 9 weeks, at the end of 9 weeks, you will be able to run for 30 minutes. That's written out. What we've done is we voice coach it. So there's no need for you to carry printouts, read and forget, and keep looking at your watch, 2 minutes ho gaya, abhi, now I'll walk. So my voice, the first version of First Run that we launched is my version. In time to come, we'll do many versions of First Run. But the first version that we've done, like we discussed, we'll do a children's version, we'll do a men's version, maybe we'll have a male running icon featuring in our First Run app. But what this will do is that my voice in your ear tells you, walk for 5 minutes, get ready to run for 1 minute. Okay, 5 seconds to go, you can stop running now, 2 minutes of walking. So I'm telling you in your ear what you need to do. So there is no application of stress for you to look at, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Well, I definitely want to do my bit in encouraging more people to get onto the fitness journey. I think it's very important. It makes you live your life to the fullest. Being fit increases your mental capacity, increases your physical capacity. I've always been very passionate about fitness and technology. And for me, First Run, in fact MobiFit, which actually launched First Run today, is the most natural progression for fitness and technology to come together.